The commercial and industrial vehicle industry faces a constant battle. Margins are tight. Competition is fierce. Manufacturers are constantly seeking ways to reduce costs without sacrificing quality. This is especially true for components and sub-assemblies. These parts are often complex and require specialized expertise. Traditional manufacturing models often struggle to balance these competing demands. In-house production can be expensive and inflexible. Global supply chains are vulnerable to disruptions. This is where a strategic blend of design for manufacturing, or DFM, and offshore manufacturing emerges as a powerful solution. By designing specifically for manufacturing in cost-effective locations, companies can unlock significant savings. This approach also allows for greater flexibility and resilience in the face of global uncertainty. The key lies in selecting the right manufacturing partners and implementing robust quality control measures. DFM is not just a design stage afterthought. It is a philosophy that should permeate every aspect of product development. At its core, DFM seeks to optimize designs for efficient and cost-effective manufacturing. This involves considering material selection, process capabilities, assembly methods, and even packaging. By incorporating DFM principles early in the design process, manufacturers can avoid costly redesigns and production delays. DFM goes hand in hand with related disciplines like design for logistics, or DFL, and design for inspection, or DFI. DFL optimizes designs for efficient shipping, handling, and assembly. DFI ensures that products are designed for easy inspection and quality control. Together, DFM, DFL, and DFI form a powerful trifecta for cost reduction and quality enhancement. By embracing these principles, manufacturers can streamline production, minimize waste, and improve the overall quality and reliability of their products. DFM plays a crucial role in optimizing material selection and manufacturing processes. Traditional manufacturing often relies on materials and methods that are familiar, but not necessarily optimal. DFM encourages a fresh perspective, challenging engineers to explore new materials and processes that align with the capabilities of the chosen manufacturing location. For example, instead of using expensive metals, DFM might suggest high-strength polymers or composites that are lighter, easier to manufacture, and readily available in the chosen offshore location. Similarly, DFM can identify opportunities to simplify designs, reduce the number of parts, and streamline assembly processes. This not only reduces material costs, but also lowers labor and overhead expenses. By leveraging DFM principles, manufacturers can achieve significant cost savings without compromising on quality or performance. This approach allows for a more sustainable and efficient manufacturing process, reducing waste and maximizing resource utilization. India and Vietnam have emerged as global manufacturing powerhouses, particularly for the automotive industry. Both countries boast a young, skilled workforce, competitive labor costs, and government incentives that encourage foreign investment. These factors make them attractive destinations for companies looking to optimize their manufacturing operations. India has a long history of automotive manufacturing, with a well-established supplier ecosystem and a strong engineering talent pool. Vietnam, while a relative newcomer, has quickly gained traction, attracting major automotive manufacturers and their suppliers. Both countries offer a compelling value proposition, combining cost-effectiveness with a growing emphasis on quality and technological advancement. By leveraging the strengths of these emerging markets, companies can achieve significant cost savings without compromising on quality or delivery timelines. This strategic shift allows them to remain competitive in the global marketplace while tapping into new sources of innovation and growth.